Hop into the comfort. Introducing the adorable frog-shaped travel pillow for kids. Perfect for road trips, flights, or just lounging at home. Soft, snuggly, and supportive, your little ones will love their new travel buddy. This froggy friend makes every journey a joy. So don't miss out on the cutest travel essential for kids. Hello friends, welcome to Creatively Made in Home. I am Sheetal Pathak here, and in today's video we are gonna see how to make this frog crochet travel pillow, which is very easy to make. Unfortunately, I have lost the video footage for this tutorial, but anyway I wanted to make this tutorial, so I am gonna use my photos and I'll give as much description as possible to make this tutorial easy to understand and follow. Before we start, I would like to let you know that you can find this return pattern on Ravelry and Love Crochet platforms, or you can grab it from my own store where it's available at the lowest price. The links are given below in the description box. This return pattern is beautifully formatted with tons of step-by-step photos, as you can see in the image, and because of my habit of taking step-by-step photos, I could make this video. The best part is there is no disturbance of advertisement. You will get instant downloadable PDF file which you can save in your device or take printout. It will be always with you. The price is very reasonable and will be a great support for me. So please check the links below in the description box. Thank you. So let's get started. For this project I have used Lion Brand's DIY yarn, that is medium worsted category 4 in green color, and 5 mm crochet hook, that is size H. Along with that we will need little bit of pink, red, white, black color yarn, and I have used 12 mm dia safety eyes, but that is totally optional. If you want you can use or skip it. So let's get started. Make chain 31. Starting from the third chain from the hook, make 2 double crochet in next 2 chains, then 1 double crochet in the next chain, again 2 double crochet in next 2 chains, 1 double crochet. Like this repeat 9 times. At the last we will be left with 2 stitches. In that make 2 double crochet. Now turn the work and work on the other side of the foundation chain. Again 2 double crochet in the 2 chain, 1 double crochet in the next. Repeat this again 9 times. Make 2 double crochet in last 2 chains. Slip stitch in the second chain and complete the round 1. In this round we will have 98 stitches in total, that is 49 stitches on either side. For round 2 and 3 make 2 chain. This is not considered as a stitch. Starting from the first stitch itself, make 1 half double crochet in all the stitches. Slip stitch in the chain and complete the round. So in this round we have not done any increase, so stitches will remain as it is, 98 stitches for round 2 and 3. For round 4 make 2 chains. Starting from the first stitch, 1 double crochet in 5 stitches, then 2 double crochet in next 2 stitches each, and 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the 2 stitches and 1 in the next. Like that repeat 13 times. Then 1 double crochet in 10 stitches. Again 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in the next. Like that repeat 13 times. We will be left with 5 stitches. Make 1 double crochet in remaining 5 stitches. Slip stitch and complete the round. In this round 4 we will have 150 stitches. Round 5 and 6 are same like round 2 and 3, where we will not do any increase. Make 2 chains at the beginning, 1 half double crochet in each stitch, slip stitch and complete the round. So for round 5 and 6 we will have 150 stitches. Round 7 make 2 chain. Starting from first stitch, 1 double crochet in 5 stitches, then 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Like that we will repeat 22 times. Then 1 double crochet in 9 stitches. Again 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches. Repeat 22 times. 1 double crochet in remaining 4 stitches. Slip stitch and complete the round. In this round 7 we will have 194 stitches. Round 8 and 9 are same like 2 or 3 or 5, 6 rounds, no increase. Make 2 chain, 1 half double crochet in each stitch, slip stitch and complete the round. In round 8 and 9 we will have 194 stitches. Now here our base of the pillow is ready. Don't cut the yarn. Let's make the eyes, legs and then continue joining with the same yarn. To make the eyes, fold the work into vertically half like this to get tentative center. In that tentative center stitch, put a stitch marker. Then we'll be doing only on the top side. Leave 15 stitches on either side of this stitch marker and insert new stitch markers on the 16 stitch on either side. Now take the other end of the yarn or take new ball. Insert hook skipping one stitch from this new stitch marker and pull up a loop. Remove stitch marker and make 6 double crochet in that stitch where we had put the stitch marker. Then skip the next stitch and make slip stitch in the next stitch. Turn the work. Then make 2 slip stitches in next 2 stitches in the pillow base. Make 2 double crochet each over all these 6 stitches we have done in the first row. Make slip stitch skipping one stitch from round 1 in the base of the pillow. So here we will have 12 stitches. For row 3 again make 2 slip stitches in the pillow base. Turn the work, then make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Skip one stitch on the pillow base, slip stitch and complete the row. This completes our eye. In this row we will have 24 stitches. Similarly make one more eye on the other side. Now let's see how to make the legs. Make 6 single crochet in magic ring. In round 2 make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 12 stitches. For round 3 and 4 we will not do any increase. We will just work single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 12 stitches in round 3 and 4. For round 5 make single crochet 2 together 6 times. So we will reduce 6 stitches. So we will have 6 stitches in round 5. Now this is one finger. Stuff the finger. From round 6 to 9 we will just make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 6 stitches. Cut the yarn. Similarly we will make 2 more fingers. For the third finger don't cut the yarn. Now work 3 single crochet in the third finger. Then take the second finger and work 3 single crochet on the second finger. Then take third finger and work in all 6 stitches. So these 3 fingers will get connected. Now we will reach the second finger, other 3 stitches are remaining, work in that. Then we have reached the first finger, 3 stitches remaining of the first finger, work 3 stitches there. So we completed one round connecting all these 3 fingers. We will have 18 stitches together. Next we will make 1 single crochet in first stitch, then single crochet 2 together. 1 single crochet, then single crochet 2 together. Like that repeat 6 times. So we will reduce 6 stitches. So we will have 12 stitches. For round 12, next round, again make 1 single crochet, then single crochet 2 together. Single crochet and single crochet 2 together. Like that 4 times. So in this round we will have 8 stitches. Round 13 to 32, those are 20 rounds. We will work 1 single crochet in each stitch, that is 8 stitches. This length of the legs you can reduce or increase as per your choice. So these number of rounds you can reduce or increase. Cut the yarn, keep a long tail yarn for sewing this leg to the pillow. Similarly make one more leg. Now we will make the blush. With the pink color yarn make 6 single crochet in magic ring. For the next round make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 12 stitches. Keeping a long tail yarn, cut the yarn. Similarly make one more blush. Now we will make the center of the eyes. So take black color yarn, make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. For round 2 make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we will have 12 stitches. If you want, you can insert a safety eye in the center, and if you don't want, you can skip it. Now we'll make the white portion of the eye. Take the white color yarn, make 6 single crochet in the magic ring, round 2, make chain 3, make 1 double crochet right in the first stitch, then 2 double crochet each in next 4 stitches. Leave the last stitch and turn the work. Here we have 10 stitches. For round 3, make chain 3, 1 double crochet right in the first stitch, then 2 double crochet each in next 9 stitches. So we will have 20 stitches in this round. Again keep a long tail yarn for sewing and cut the yarn. Similarly make one more piece. Now let us start assembling. If you notice, the white piece will be slightly smaller than the green eye that we have made. Insert needle in the white yarn and we will sew this white portion to the green portion. Take only the internal loops of the green so that the white thread will not be seen on the other side. Sew this white portion, only the curved portion first attached with the green portion. Then take the black circle and sew it to the white portion on the second row between third and fourth stitch. Now if you want, you can put some stuffing material in the white portion and then sew it the bottom area of the white, like we sew the curved portion to the green area, taking only the internal loops of the green. Because we have picked only the internal loops, the white thread will not be seen on the other side. Similarly make the other eye. Sew both legs at bottom part of the pillow. Now let us mark the mouth and blush. Insert marking pin in tentatively center of 4th row. Now leave 13 stitches and insert pins on both sides of this pin. Here we will put our blushes. So take the pink blushes and sew it where we have marked these 2 side pins. You can take red color yarn and mark a smiling mouth. Now we will start finishing the pillow. Lay the pillow flat. Due to the nature of crochet working in rounds, the end might have moved few stitches towards the right. Work slip stitch in those few stitches so that you will reach the middle of the pillow. Now we will connect both sides of the pillow with slip stitch worked only in the back loop. So join the pillow 3 to 4 inches with the slip stitch worked only in the back loop and then fill the pillow with the stuffing material. Again work 3-4 inches small portion. If you work and keep on filling, the pillow will have nice shape and the insert will be uniformly filled in the pillow. Like that, work in small portion, keep filling and complete the pillow. And this completes our beautiful frock travel pillow for kids. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Share this with your friends and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.